What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Rob Level here. I gotta shoot this video fast because my battery's dying on my GoPro, but check this out. You guys know I always come up with something that's like just out of the box, like, oh, what if we did this? So I have a really good idea that has a lot of benefits for you today. Let's get right into it. So I was going through Cameo, and I was just looking at it because they invited me to be on the platform, and I was like, well, let me look at this. And I saw how many different big name people, like superstar people, are actually on there. And we're talking about you potentially get a shout out from them. We're talking like $400, $500, okay? And the reason why I see this as beneficial is there's a couple ways you can use this. Number one, you're gonna get the shout out, right? And you can utilize that shout out in your marketing efforts. But in addition to that, aside from the superstar people, it's a little bit different, but there's a lot of artists on there that are even mid-level. And if you can reach yourself directly into the mid-level, right, you get to jump a lot of steps as far as having a network, because this person in the mid-level has already established a network and has gotten to that point. So what I'm thinking is if you purchase a Cameo shout out from somebody that's more on the middle level, or you know, just around the $100 level, they're probably further than you, right? I don't know how far you are, no offense, but this person now knows your name and you've already given them money. They have now already had an interaction, an exchange of something financially with you, which automatically helps you create a bond with this person. A verse from this person may cost $1,000, but a Cameo shout out from this person, which takes them 10 seconds, may only cost $50, $100. So I implore you to go on to Cameo and look at all the artists that are there and see if there's any of them that you potentially want to collab with, or ones that you want to really get into their circle. There's a lot of artists on there, okay? So you could potentially choose a couple of those and start, ingratiating yourself, kind of start heading in there, trying to get into their circle. And you may not have seen the other video where I talk about Instagram. It's a really good idea what you can do on Instagram. And I have another great tip for you that I teach inside of my networking masterclasses. And that is, if you go to one of these artist pages, you're gonna see, number one, you can see all their followers. You click the followers, the people that they're following, not their followers, the people that they're following. You can see who's in their network. Because people, especially if it's a serious artist, because they don't just follow everybody. They only follow people they've met, okay? And this allows you to actually go into their network and network with the people that are smaller than that person, okay? And then you could build your network inwards like that. In addition to that, you can also, what I do is, let's say, okay, what I did in my networking masterclass is I explained how if I wanted to get into Meek Mill's circle, right? Actually, I'll make another video about that, actually. You can go through their followers and you can see that network and you can start building with those people. And just do that for 5 minutes a day. It's on my daily list. I spend 30 minutes a day going through, and I message at least 10 people. I comment on like 30 different freaking posts that people have, and some of them DM me and I build a relationship like that. And the thing is, you have to realize that the relationships you're building now are what are gonna help you later.
He ain't lying.
So never hurts to start networking. But rambly, scrambly, brain jumping around here. Anyway, go back to, there's no script here. So I would say you go to Cameo. Look, because you can get some $50, right? Who do you want to network with? Start leveraging yourself that way. And again, if you've broke bread with somebody, and somebody's made money from you, you already have an entry point. And it's a lot cheaper by utilizing Cameo as that entry point than it is to have to buy a verse. And there's more, because they may not want to collab with you. The verse with a Cameo, just be like, okay, 10 seconds, yeah, I'll take that money, right? Now they've seen your name. Now go to their Instagram and be all over that, just like posting, hey man, blah, 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 blah. Don't say nothing about Cameo. But, you know what I'm saying? Get them to keep seeing your name. Over time, they keep seeing your name, like, oh, I know this person. Oh, that's right. Did I say that? Because now they've said your name in a Cameo. They've seen your name, right? So go in there and look at that, all right? It's just Cameo.com. Check that out. Aside from that, I just want to share that with you really quick. I thought that would be a really good strategy that you guys could use, and I wanted to make the video before I forgot about it. So they invited me to be on there. Let me know in the comments below. Wish I set my Cameo price after I get my tooth fixed. Been to an egg roll. The egg roll beat my tooth up. Go Mike Tyson, y'all. It's the great white Mike, the great white Mike, the great Mike, the great white, whatever y'all, it's Rob Lev, aka the white Mike Tyson, the great white Mike. Stupid. Anyway, either way, follow me on Instagram, Rob_Level. Follow us at Smart Rapper, and I say it like a news report, and we're back. No, either way, comment how much you think Cameo would be, and yeah, that's it. And expect a lot more videos soon. Okay, they're coming. Hit subscribe, and word of the day is coming back. We're stacking the words up. You're gonna see. I'm gonna hit you with a surprise on it. All right, I'm Rob Level, the Smart Rapper. You already know the deal. Keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top.
Did I get my money straight? Fill my grammar plate. Am I underpaid, deserving more breaks? Guilty. Did I break it up, cutting case to cuffs? Am I better now, or because you in the dust? Guilty. Do I got a lot of regrets, traded for the checks? Am I super stressed, thinking what's next? Guilty. Did I hit the lot, hit the mall, hit the shop, burn every single thing that I got? Guilty. Filthy, filthy.